Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, sorry, it's been a little while since I put out a video. Had something to take care of, but I am at your favorite place, Superior Auto Sales, sascars.com. And if you could, cost you absolutely nothing. Yep, you're gonna hear some traffic noise. If you could hit that subscribe button, it definitely helps me out. And giving it a big fat thumbs up. If you leave a comment, I will definitely always comment back. You're gonna hear some traffic noise because, you know, it's on the front lawn and it's on a main road. But if you like old school trucks from the 80s, pickup trucks, this one's for you. 1984, they just got this one in. I don't know if it's on their website yet, but this truck, to me, is absolutely flawless. I mean, it is beautiful, beautiful truck. Sorry, I just dropped my keys. But yeah, I mean, it is super clean. I mean, nice suspension on it. The frame is nice. The box. I mean, I'm gonna try and get underneath this. All right. Yeah, so you guys can see it is in beautiful shape. I mean, I don't know if it's been restored or, you know, somebody restored it. You know, restored it, or it was just the way it is. Well, it's got a temporary tag on it. It just came in. Nice size tires, not too big. They do look nice on this truck. They look absolutely perfect in my eyes. Exhaust stops right there. So it's got a single exhaust. It does have a Chevy V8 in it. Footsteps. I mean, the body on this is in gorgeous shape. Oh, you know, painted underneath. Wow. I mean, the tires on this, if I can get a tire size. Oh, not. Here we go. Yeah, 16-inch. You can see it right there. Yep, 315/75 16s. I thought they'd be a little bit bigger, but judging by the rim, yeah, they are a little smaller now. But it is in beautiful shape. Beautiful, beautiful shape. Man, nice suspension in it, headers. I'm sure it sounds really good. See if I can get underneath the front of it here. Yeah, there we go. Me, I think I would have done a dual exhaust, but it is what it is. Take a look at the bed of this truck. Yeah, I know it's a little hard to see in there, but yeah, I mean, it's all undercoated. Nice tonneau cover. I mean, right here, there's no rod on the tailgate. So I'm guessing this has been restored. Nice vinyl one. Back window slides open. Time to get inside. Yeah, I mean, the doors on this are nice and clean. I mean, the rockers, the cab corners, these are always important. Doesn't feel like there's any body work done. Beautiful carpets. Just fixing the seatbelt here because somebody had it pulled out. Power windows, power locks. And I love these little vent windows. These are always so cool. Turn it like that, get some air in there. That's what I like about the old school cars. But yeah, it's got some gauges right there. Oh, your battery and, you know, good things like that. Temperature. Radio. The seats, bench seats. Even behind it, I mean, let me pull the carpeting back. Beautiful shape. As you can tell, this has been, you know, new carpeting put in. Probably been reupholstered. Beautiful truck. Man, this I would not mind having. It shows on it, mileage wise, shows 20,000, but being restored. Not sure. And your ashtray without the cigarette lighter. Yeah, this is, all this has been replaced. But yeah, it is such a gorgeous truck. I would love to have this. Yeah, man. Upgraded hood, so the motor can breathe a little bit, which is nice. And yeah, it's got little side pockets, which is really cool. Put some stuff in. And here's your four-wheel drive on the floor, which is cool. But this is when trucks were simple. Your battery, your water temperature, oil. I mean, they put extra ones down there, you know, for a little bit more, which are fine. Your heater controls. The dashboard isn't cracked. It's in nice shape. Ooh, that's hot. But yeah, I'm gonna show you more of this. On the other side, jump out of it and listen to the sound of that door. Nice and solid. The Silverado, 1984. Metal hood, not fiberglass. Yeah, the doors on this, perfect. Yeah, I mean, it's simple where you want it. You don't have a bunch of, you know, BS in it. Your glove box, complete with some dirt. Okay, but the one thing I just noticed that this truck has, okay, you got your lamp, cargo light. So somebody put some little extras in here. And it doesn't even have the mirror. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful truck. This is nice. This is when they built them. They're all metal. Not a lot of plastic back then. I mean, even the dashboard, all underneath it, probably underneath this too, is all metal. Not like dashboards like today, they're just nothing but plastic. But I am going to go underneath the hood and show you what's under there. Nice sound on that one too. Beautiful truck. Gas door, yeah. All nice and clean. Whoever restored this truck took their time. All right. Yeah, let's get this open. All right. Now, like I said, this is all metal. They cut out the hole through the air filter, which was cool. Headers on it. It is a 350. But judging by the tensioner pulley, it is not an original motor. What year it is, that I don't know. But it's a newer motor at least. Yeah, I mean, it is, these are all new. So this truck was restored, which is great. Not a lot of computer stuff. It's got 2 fans to keep it cool, which are nice. So if it does start to get a little too hot, they'll kick on. They're computer controlled. So yeah, I mean, the firewall looks like it's in fantastic shape. Yeah. MSD ignition. Poly carburetor. Yeah. Air conditioning. We have the condenser for it. I don't see the condenser. No, it's been disconnected. But you know what, with a truck like this is the kind of truck you drive around with the windows down and the back window open. That's what you do. So yeah, Really, really nice. Beautiful truck. All metal. None of that plastic, fantastic. Huh. Alright guys, I'm going to end this one here. Whoop, dropping the keys again. I'm going to end this one here, but if you guys like this video and you'd like this truck, give it a nice big fat thumbs up. It does help me, and subscribing helps me even more. Till then, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.